Hello, how to make money online. I will give you 8 ideas how you can make money very easily. Nowadays, earning money became very easy if you have good idea and right tools. 1. Earn money by copying and pasting photos. To do this, you will need to set up Instagram account. Find one niche and create thematic account. For example, logo design, paintings, sketches, cars, or anything you like. On this account, you can repost some good content from bigger profiles. Browse your niche and check number of accounts. Ask them for permission to repost and do this. If you tag them, everyone will be happy because of free promotion on their account. If you do it well, your account will grow and you will get massive audience. When you reach 5 to 10k followers, you can offer paid promotions for smaller accounts in your niche. You can take $10 to $20 per 24-hour story or $35 for 24-hour story plus post. And if you're consistent, you can make some good money in long term. You can even set up more accounts in other niches to maximize profits. 2. Work as freelancer. You can make simple websites, logo, graphics, or something different for other people. You can create website in WordPress or prepare graphics in Canva. These tools are free, but this is just an example. You can find out which software and which niche is the best for you. Learn how to do it. Check out our films where we explain how to create websites with WordPress in just minutes. Then set up your social media to get clients, or create profile on websites like Fiverr, Freelancer, or Upwork. If you offer good price, people will surely come and buy your services. You need to promote well on social media. 3. Work as a social media account administrator. Owners of big pages on Facebook or Instagram need help to provide great quality. That's why they need moderators. Moderators answer questions, check comments, configure posts, and help in page setup. You can do it without big knowledge and earn some money very easily. 4. Testing online services. There are many companies that pay people for testing their services. It can be banking service, online shops, or many more. You can get several dozens of dollars in just one day if you search for best companies and best websites. For example, check out usertesting.com. Search internet for online testing job and check out if that's something for you. 5. Sell your knowledge. I'm sure there is at least one area where you are a complete expert. Everyone is good at doing something and has great experience. You can use it. Create an ebook, course, or podcast. People will pay you for your knowledge. If you sell your ebook for $15 to $20 and use the power of scale, you can become rich very quickly. If 1,000 people buy your ebook, you will get $15,000 minus taxes. That's a lot. And this is just an example at the beginning. 1000 is really possible to do, but some courses on e-learning platforms have something like 700k or even 1 million people. What is great with ebooks, you will get money continuously. It means that if you create ebook, you will gain money when you sleep, eat or work on other stuff in future. This is a big investment. 6. E-commerce. E-commerce is growing rapidly. You can sell everything online. You can use platforms like eBay, Amazon, AliExpress or many others. Sell things you don't use, like old clothes or old gadgets. When you get experience, watch trends and sell best-selling products. Start investing money. 7. Gigs on Fiverr. Fiverr is now the world's largest marketplace for people to make money selling small services. It is called gigs. What you offer could be absolutely anything. Everything from writing and translating, social media posting, teaching to create music, voiceovers, or stuff like that. This is Fiverr. Check all categories and pick best for you. 8. Film editing. You can offer editing services to influencers, people on Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook. Editing is easy but takes time. You don't need to invest much for editing software. Then you can charge for edited minutes. All of these things won't matter if you are inconsistent. Everything takes time. You need to work regularly for a long time. Only this will provide great results and rapid growth. Work hard, cooperate with experts and try new opportunities to work with. And you will succeed. Leave a like if you think it was helpful, comment down below if you have any questions. DM us for details or mail. Check out other films to get more valuable knowledge. Subscribe for class for more inspiration and tutorials.